you guys doing? And welcome back to another video. For those of you who know me, I go by Samdicating. I do travel vlogs and history videos at times. And at the time of me recording this video, it is currently Martin Luther King Day in January here in the United States. And the purpose of me recording the video is to do a random vlog like always, but also to get out and to talk a thing about MLK Day, since I like to do my little history videos and stuff like that. It's a holiday here right now, and I decided to hop on the bike, get out Fayetteville, North Carolina. And I wanted to come and check out the Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial Museum, but it seemed like it's closed on Martin Luther King Day, right? So as you can see right here, that it is Martin Luther King Memorial Park, right? And parks and recreations and stuff like that, but it tends to be closed. You know what I mean? Like, there's nobody here. The thing is that this particular day is very important in United States history, and it's something that a lot of people know about, or they should know about, especially in American history if you choose to move here to the United States. Martin Luther King Jr. Day is a federal holiday honoring the life and legacy of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., a leader of the American Civil Rights Movement. Dr. King fought for equality, justice, and nonviolent change, inspiring millions through peaceful protests and powerful words. Observed each January, MLK Day is not only a time of remembrance, but also a call to service, encouraging people to give back to their communities and continue the work of creating a more just and inclusive society. In 1983, MLK Day was signed into law as a national holiday, and it was first observed in 1986. Today, it serves not only as a day of remembrance, but also as a call to service, encouraging people to continue Dr. King's mission of unity and positive change. So MLK Day, Martin Luther King Jr. Day, January 19th, is the official birthday of Martin Luther King Jr. And it is recognized as a national holiday here in the United States of America. For those of you who don't know, Martin Luther King was the chief spokesman of the civil rights movement back during that time. And he did a lot during that time because people of the Afro-American diaspora were discriminated against during that time. He was one of the spokesmen, if not the chief spokesman, of the civil rights movement during that time. So that's why this day holds so much of a significance to the United States and the black community in the United States of America. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial in Fayetteville, North Carolina, honors the life and legacy of Dr. King and his message of equality, justice, and nonviolence. Located on Blue Street, the memorial features a statue of Dr. King surrounded by inscriptions from his powerful speeches. Dedicated in 2007, the site serves as a place for reflection, unity, and community remembrance, reminding visitors that the fight for justice and civil rights continues. So it's crazy how, since today is Martin Luther King's Day, and I am the only person out here at the moment, right? And as you can see, there's nobody else out here. I wonder if it's because of the location in North Carolina, in Fayetteville, or maybe they did something earlier today, or maybe they normally do things throughout the week. I am unsure. It's just amazing now how I'm seeing today is Martin Luther King Day, but I don't see anything going on here at the memorial itself to commemorate Martin Luther King himself. Out here you can see that as I'm showing you the overlays of the memorial about the things that he went through in 1968 in Memphis, Tennessee, in Birmingham, Alabama, in Washington. But yeah, there's no one out here. You know, my man McKay, he's giving his speech, you know what I'm saying? You know, he had a dream, man, and the dream came to pass, you feel me? So as I was speaking, some people started to arrive. That's cool, man, you know what I mean? You got some people arriving here to show their respects, you know? So, that's dope. Yeah, fam, I was trying to put down the camera so I could get a good walking shot, you know what I mean? But I couldn't find a flat surface to put down this particular camera. So, I guess we're not gonna get that walking shot. Yeah. So, let me see, I got the rest of the day. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can find something to eat. I actually want a boba tea. You know, I'm gonna go to a boba place and get a boba tea. Right.
Police officers, they would have like,
well, not the police.
Hayabusas.
Oh, okay. Puerto Rico?
Yeah.
Oh, over there the police officers have dirt bikes, but it's like 700 cc's because it's easier to cut through traffic when they're chasing.
Okay. Yeah.
But
my brother, he just got himself a motorcycle. He crashes his car. I want to show you it because.
oh, that's not okay. That's the KLX also.
All right, so it's the same one, right? It's just smaller.
No, so this is the street. So this is the Super Sport. So basically, it's street wheels and made for street driving. Whereas
I see yours. How you have a off-road?
Mine is the dual sport. So mine is for on-road and off-road. Well, it's primarily for off-road.
How much is it filled with?
How would you pull it up? I mean, to put gas?
Yeah.
$2.
What? Nah.
$2.
$2? And how far can you go?
Like 180
What?
miles. So it's like 90 miles a gallon, and it's 2.1 gallons. So it's like 140 miles. Sport bike, 400, 500, 600 cc's.
You
But
don't
I
have
want.
no sport bike?
I used to have an R6, but I'm like, I kind of want to go off roading. You know what I mean? Kind of like having the option to go back and forth.
And then with that one you can. Wow, that's nice.
Sport bike, I'm kind of stuck on the street.
Where can you go?
Yeah, guys, I came to this boba shop and I ended up getting the sunrise fruit and fruit pop. Pretty good. Recommend this spot if you're in Fayetteville, North Carolina. And I think that's going to end up my video. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next adventure. Peace. I know I closed out the video, man, but I had to try this burger bar. And the one thing that I wanted to try was a patty melt. Okay, guys, so I just got back to the house because I got my food to go from that particular place I just went to called Baby Burger. So, Bad Daddy's Burger, right? I ordered the food to go. It took an hour for the food to get to me. And then, once the food got to me, I was ready to pay, and the person walked off. And I'm like, so I had to wait another 20 minutes so I can pay for my food that I got to go. So in total, I was there for an hour and a half. I should have just ate there. I was there for an hour and 20 minutes to get this food to go. That's why I don't really go to restaurants much. I like to get my stuff to go. But I'm gonna show you guys what I got, which is steamed broccoli, as you can see right here, patty melt, sandwich on Texas toast, which is this right here. So yeah, so this is the second time basically closing out the video. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog on MLK Day. I'm gonna try to edit this today and get this up today on MLK Day, so it stays relevant, I guess. Thank you guys for tuning in. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will catch you in the next adventure. Peace.